from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lake Illinois County in northeastern Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 8:35 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that thunderstorms with rain rates up to 1 inch per hour will move toward the warned area over the next hour. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen in isolated areas of northeastern Lake County from previous rounds of rain. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible, with flash flooding expected shortly after the onset of heavy rainfall. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impacts: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding Park City, Winthrop Harbor, Lake Bluff, Grandwood Park, Green Oaks, Wadsworth, Venetian Village, Third Lake, and Old Mill Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pennsylvania. Rain rates up to 1 inch per hour will move toward the warned area over the next hour.